Think Solid, the solid surface solution for your DIY benchtop projects. Think Solid modular 20mm benchtops are pre-finished and come with a protective film. There are two ways to do a cooktop cutout. To DIY, you'll need these tools. Drill 4 small holes on the outside corner of your template and set up your track saw to complete the cooktop cutout. Trades can swap out the track saw for a router. Sand and polish the cutout to remove all sharp edges. Before installing your benchtop, reinforce your front rail if your cabinet are 800mm or greater. Apply beads of silicone to the cabinet rails. Install your benchtop into place and secure firmly. Peel back the film. It's quick and satisfying. Apply heat tape around the internal edges. And install your cooktop. Think Benchtops. DIY made easy.